Hello viewers, welcome back to online classroom to learn 25 tools of lean manufacturing. In earlier video, we covered Hoshin Kanri, which is policy deployment. Policy deployment, as we learned, is not completed without goals, and so our next tool in this video is SMART goals. Goal is a target or aim. To deploy goal in organizational perspective, a SMART methodology is most popular, which was first described by George T. Doran. In management language, goals are a system of plans a company communicate to its employee for achievement. Coming then to importance of goals, they provide a focus to employee and workforce what and where to work upon. Goals also help measure progress of work or effort being done at periodic review. With a target in sight and focused progress towards it with efforts, it helps with necessary motivation. Again, goals also support employee beat procrastination and any negative forces. With goals set and proper motivation, achievement of more than goals is likely possible. Finally, and above all, goals help determine the want of any organization and communicate same to across the workforce. Hope you got the concept of goals well. Coming now to a SMART methodology, it is acronym to specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. With these characteristics added to any goal, it becomes very clear and precise against any general query an employee might have, like what to do, when to do, how to do, is this goal appropriate, and many more. Considering an example, a team was given a goal of market share growth. This goal might be appropriate for organization vision, but for an individual or team it is assigned to, this goal will create confusion around how much growth is expected and for which product or product range it is expected. Again, what is the time period to achieve the goal? With this statement as goal, team or individual can't plan activities for its achievement and will not be able to perform. Such goals generally fail. But if same goal statement is revised to grow market share of model T90 by more than 15% by end of year 2020-21, goal becomes more clear in answering general queries of same individual and help him plan in an efficient manner. It also helps with acceptability of goal and generates a positive working energy towards its achievement. Coming finally to summarizing benefits of a smart goal setting, they provide not only focus but also direction where a lot of queries are answered in goal statement itself. Smart goals help with acceptance of goal and preparation of a robust plan towards achievement of same. We have seen in example a minute earlier that smart goals also provide as motivational tool to employees. Setting smart goals also helps with faster and efficient result delivery. Lastly, they help reducing workplace stress, which we as employees most desire. So that was it for smart goals. Like and share this video, leave your feedback in comment section and subscribe channel for continuous learning content. We'll meet again in next video with next tool, key performance indicator. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.